What are you doing?
You told me to clean the toaster oven, and I'm gonna do it. See, it's pizza in there. It's nasty,
Oh, God, that is nasty.
and my hands are big. I'm gonna show you how we do it in the country,
Oh, boy.
the easy way. Let me just put it upside down and let it dry overnight. It'll be fine. See, it's got a little dirt here. I'm gonna clean that off too. Little scrubbies on that. So let's turn it upside down. For now, we'll let it dry out. It'll work. Trust me. I know what I'm doing when it comes to cleaning.
Oh, boy.
It'll work.